Welcome to Schmiedmann. Today is going to be about fenders. Fenders for the BMW E30 and E30 M3. So if you own an iconic BMW like that, follow me. We just received this great fender set for your BMW. These rear fenders were made out of metal with 1 mm thickness. The great prime coat on the top makes a color stick to it even better for a longer time. On the sides, as you can see, they are as wide as you know from the BMW E30. And that gives an amazing impression right after installing and going on the first rides. With these fenders you can make any BMW E30 look like the E30 M3, the 2-door, the 4-door, or the Touring and the convertible. And of course you can repair a BMW E30 M3 with these fenders. We bet not even a seasoned BMW expert will be able to tell the difference. To make your BMW E30 look amazing with these fenders, you should take her to the workshop or be a real skilled mechanic yourself. Made out of high quality metal, these fenders are not like ones made out of glass fiber material or any old used part. It's definitely not plug and play. It's a more serious deal for your BMW E30. And it's definitely worth it. Just look at these builds. Find any information on these fenders in the description below this video or on anything else for your BMW or Mini on Schmiedmann.com.